This video explains how to create a QR code for a Google form using a QR code generator. Create your Google form. Get the link for your form. When you're finished editing your form, select the link option from the menu, then click or tap Copy to copy the URL. Find an online website QR code generator. Enter the link for your Google form. Download your code. Once you've added the information that you want, you can download it so you can share it. Making QR codes using web browser. Navigate to your form. Right-click the page. For a desktop browser, you can also click the share icon in your address bar or to the right of it to open the menu. Click Create QR code for this page. Click Download. The QR code will generate and show up in a tile so you can preview it before continuing. Once the code is downloaded to your computer, phone, or tablet, you can share it with other people. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.